Good morning. I'm going to go over the S&P a little bit this morning. We're about 6 minutes away from the open. I just want to lay out a couple levels and that I'll be watching the rest of the week. Yesterday we had we've been in this consolidation from the end of last week after this drop down. We had a few days of consolidation and a nice push up yesterday. I'm not sure if this is going to, our upside target on the upside, the first one would be 2865 level. And I'm watching to see if we're going to get more continuation up to fill in this area, or if we're going to start pushing down. Our downside objective, the first target would be this 2778 level, 2780, somewhere in here. So intraday today, I'm trying to just monitor price and see what it might want to do for a day trade. Our first level of support might come in at 27.97. That's just these highs back here. So if we get pushed down to there, I might look for a long trade. It very easily could push off from the levels that we're at. We may have already made the low of the day and it may continue up or consolidation today. So I'm kind of waiting to see what price tells me when we get to these levels, if it does get to these levels. If we start pushing up above yesterday's highs, or the highs we made in London this morning, I'll expect another run up on price, possibly up to this 2865 level. We'd have, let's see what this does with that. Yeah, it brings us up into that level for another swing of equal distance from this swing here. And it brings us back into the consolidation area right here. We do have equal highs up here that I don't think they're going to leave, but we've had lows down here that easily could be tagged and reached for on the downside. Pretty aggressive move down, but as you see, when we get these aggressive moves down, they start coming back into that range and then possibly going higher. So they may just be sweeping out some liquidity and gathering it up to push it higher. So overall, I'm just waiting until price gets to these levels to kind of give me an idea of what it's going to do. Price could come all the way back down. We got these lows that I thought they were going to target yesterday, but price just kind of kept going up and up and up. I was looking for shorts at this high and at this high yesterday, and it just never gave in. So it looks like we got a little bullish intraday price action, momentum on the upside. So we'll see if it wants to fill up this range up to this 2865 level or not. I'm open to take longs or shorts on this, whatever price is going to give me. But at the moment, I'm not seeing anything. I want to watch this range right here. I'll put a Fibonacci in here. So if price comes up in here, I'm interested to see if we get resistance and a move down. That could possibly be a short opportunity if we clear these highs and get to around that 61.8% level. See if we can get some sort of top here, and we can possibly put on a short trade there. But you want to be careful because we pushed up pretty hard, so I definitely want to see some sort of reaction here and then trade it down. So don't just jump in on the trade there. I will be looking for a trade up in this level above this high, but I think you want to wait and see some sort of rejection in this level before you can go short on it for a little bit more of a strong trade on that one, because we definitely have areas up here that I think price eventually is going to get to. It's just a matter of if they want to do it now and then bring it down, or if they're going to come and sweep some of these lows and then head on back up. Dollar yesterday came down and rejected. We have this gap right here that, let me change this color. That price, technically that's not filled all the way, but all right, we just had the open. See what price is doing here. Hasn't quite filled it, but that's all it really needs to do. If it could very easily just start heading down lower into this 94.20 level. Or else our upside objective would be this 95, 98 level up here. Gold, I'm shooting for short term, this 1238. Depending on what dollar is doing, I think we still have another run up on this, but price could come back down into this level. But it looks like it wants to push up higher. So 1238 is my initial target on this on the upside. Then I'll take my profits and wait for another opportunity to get longer again. I still think I'm still bullish on gold. I think we have nice targets on the upside, but may have to wait a little bit if we can't get in on that from this area. So let's see what S&P is doing. Pushing down a little bit here. So I'm looking for price possibly to come up here, or it may just go push right straight down through. If it gets down below this candle, I'm fairly interested in looking for a sell at 2806, 2806.80, but we have to wait and see what it's going to do here. I would rather it come up a little bit higher, because right now we made pretty equal highs right here. So people are thinking that's a double top and going short. We'll see if they come up and sweep that and then bring it down, if it is going to go down today. If you're scalping S&P right now, it wouldn't be a horrible trade to go long here and take out these highs for a scalp. Your stop would need to be down here. So pretty good risk reward. Probably 2-to-1 on this, possibly 3-to-1. I just don't know if we're gonna get that resistance here or not. NASDAQ and the Dow are pushing down right now, so S&P may follow. We'll see if we can get prices stay down below this 2906 level or 2806.80 level. So I'm just watching that level. If price stays below there, we'll probably reach down to this 27.97 level. And but you gotta be careful of these equal highs here. Price may want to sweep those before it heads down. Watching the NASDAQ and the Dow. NASDAQ's definitely bearish right now. It's pushing down pretty hard. So we'll see if the S&P wants to follow on it. Let's see what dollar's doing. Dollar's holding steady. Gold kind of consolidating here. See if we can get that push up on gold. So yeah, it looks like it wants to push down. So your next target is 27.87 on the downside. I wouldn't mind a little bit of a retracement back up into this 2806.80 level possibly to go short. Being mindful that you got equal highs here, so be really careful on that. If it gets above here and it continues, then you're looking at 28.65 high point. Okay, so those are the levels today on S&P. That's what I'll be watching. I'd be patient on it. Let it give you an opportunity to get in. Watch this 2806.80 level and see what happens. Um, and well, good luck on it. All right, thanks, guys.